Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making network parity decisions. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi so discovery works. Once done, enable Smart View on the phone and open the Windows Connect app, or enable the wireless display feature in settings on your PC. This exposes it as a receiver. Make sure a VPN is off and the firewall permits casting, otherwise discovery fails. Update network and graphics drivers now so you avoid driver conflicts later. Then proceed to discover the PC from your phone. You now perform the pairing sequence. Open Project in Action Center, choose Connect to a wireless display, and let the system scan. On your phone, select the PC name listed in Smart View and accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN appears, type it exactly on the phone or PC as requested. If the PC does not appear, enable the wireless display optional feature in settings or use a Miracast dongle. Make sure Windows services for network discovery and Wi-Fi Direct are running before retrying. You finish by choosing a display mode, duplicate, extend, or second screen only, and tune resolution and scaling in display settings so text and UI look correct. Once connected, route audio where you want it by selecting PC speakers or the phone in sound output options, and test a short video to confirm sync. If the connection drops or the PC never appears, restart the Wi-Fi router and both devices, toggle Smart View, and update Miracast or network drivers as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.